In today's video, we'll show you exactly how to research and source products with JungleScout, an essential tool for anyone serious about selling on Amazon. If you're new to the software, don't worry. I'll guide you through the steps to find winning products, evaluate their potential, and scale your business with ease. But before we dive in, you can try JungleScout completely free using the first link in the description below. Plus, we've got exclusive bonuses for you. Stick around because I'm about to show you how to maximize this tool so you can make better, more informed decisions when sourcing products. JungleScout is a powerhouse when it comes to Amazon product research. Whether you're just starting out or you've been selling for a while, it can help you find profitable products that are already in demand. You'll start by using their product database, which gives you access to a massive catalog of Amazon listings. It lets you filter through millions of products based on specific criteria, such as category, sales volume, reviews, price, and much more. This gives you the power to uncover hidden gems and niche markets that are waiting to be explored. Now, let's talk about how to find the best product opportunities. First, you'll want to enter the product database and set up your filters. The key here is finding products with high demand but low competition. JungleScout gives you all the tools to compare different products' sales data, including monthly revenue, units sold, and even seasonality. Once you find a potential product, take a look at the competition. The tool allows you to examine your competitors' listings to see how well they're performing and how many reviews they have. This helps you gauge whether you can compete effectively or if the market is too saturated. One feature I really love about JungleScout is the product tracker. Once you've found a product you're interested in, you can add it to the product tracker and monitor its performance over time. This will help you track changes in sales volume, pricing trends, and inventory levels so you can stay ahead of the curve. By watching these trends, you'll be able to make more data-driven decisions instead of relying on guesswork. Next up, let's talk about sourcing products. JungleScout makes it easy to connect with suppliers through its supplier database. You can search for reliable manufacturers based on the specific product you want to sell. The supplier database pulls data from thousands of supplier records, giving you a clear picture of who's producing what and whether they've had a track record of success. This takes the guesswork out of sourcing, helping you find trustworthy suppliers that align with your product needs. Once you've narrowed down your product, use the Keyword Scout tool to refine your product listing and improve its visibility. This feature helps you identify the best keywords to use in your listing to rank higher on Amazon and attract more customers. With precise keyword data, you'll ensure your product reaches its target audience and maximizes its potential to generate sales. Before you move on to sourcing, make sure you're doing the due diligence. JungleScout also provides a detailed analysis of profit margins. This is crucial because understanding your costs, including Amazon fees, shipping, and product costs, will help you calculate whether a product is worth investing in. JungleScout's tools give you an accurate profit estimate, ensuring you're not diving into a project that's going to leave you with negative margins. To wrap it up, JungleScout is an essential tool for anyone looking to research and source products on Amazon. From finding high-demand products with low competition to sourcing reliable suppliers and optimizing your listings for success, it provides all the data you need to make smarter business decisions. Remember, you can try JungleScout for free through the first link below and gain access to our exclusive extended trial, along with bonus content to help you get the most out of this powerful software. Don't miss out on this opportunity to grow your business with the right tools.